Well, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we will be making a really quick, easy, and delicious protein smoothie bowl. Instead of paying like $10 to $12 for one at a coffee shop or wherever else you find them, you can make one super easy at home. It does require a lot of ingredients, so I will put the ingredients up on the screen. But also I will put them down below in the description. So if you want to know how to make this delicious smoothie bowl, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I have all the ingredients out on the counter. First, because it's a smoothie bowl, you're gonna need some type of plant-based milk. This is not my favorite. It's just what Kroger had when I went last. But if you're gonna get soy milk, always get organic because it's a highly subsidized crop in America, which means that they'll cut any corners that they can to make more and more and more, some more money. And also it's a phytoestrogen. If you're gonna get soy, get organic. But I usually do oat milk, but this will do. It's already open. I have mango chunks frozen. I have Forager's organic vanilla cashew yogurt. I have some 72% dark chocolate. I have organic protein, the vegan protein. It's a vanilla flavor and it's got a bunch of superfoods in it. I got the superfood berry blend with acai and goji berry and blueberry. I have cocoa nibs. I have walnuts, pecans, 1 banana, 1 kiwi, and I figure we could put some blueberries in there too. So let's put some blueberries in there too. And then I have my seed mix. It's flax seeds, chia seeds, and some pumpkin seeds. I kind of blend the pumpkin seeds, so that's why it's like the dusty part in there is the pumpkin seeds all blended up. It's a fine powder at this point. And so yeah, I think that's just about all I want to put into my bowl. But oh wait, I want coconut flakes. Let's get those. I want coconut flakes. These are unsweetened coconut flakes. And then I also want my homemade peanut butter dark chocolate granola. Okay, I think that's about all I will want in it, with some cinnamon, nutmeg. Yeah, that'll be good. Let's get started, y'all. So first things first is we're gonna make a smoothie. This one's gonna be super simple. We're just gonna make a mango smoothie with protein powder and the goji berry blend and the seed mix, just a little bit. We're gonna put more of the seed mix on the top, but yeah, so let's get it started with that. So first things first is we're gonna start with some mango for the smoothie bowl. I'm kind of wanting it to be a little thick this time, but that's good on the fruit because we also have to put protein powder in there, so we don't want it to be too thick. Alright, so we got the mango. Let's get the protein powder in there. For me, I'm just gonna do like a half a scoop of this. So 2 scoops is 1 serving, so a half a scoop is gonna be 21 divided by 4. So maybe around 4 point something grams of protein, which isn't bad because we're also going to get protein from all of the other ingredients. So we're done with the protein powder now. We're going to need some of this. This is going to give it some good flavor. I'm going to use a spoon to get this out. And to be honest, y'all, I just eyeball everything, so I'll try to write out measurements in the description, but I just kind of eyeball everything. Just a little bit more. Okay, and we're gonna need a little seed mix. I just finished making some more, so that's why it's like full as hell. But we don't want too much in the mix because we're gonna put it on the top too. So probably about that much is fine. So that's the base of our smoothie. It's got a lot of stuff in there, but we're gonna fill it up with soy milk and give this baby a blend. And with protein powder, y'all, you want to give the blender some time to get it all incorporated, because you don't want the chalky texture in your smoothie bowl. You want it to be smooth and creamy. How you can kind of get that to work out in your favor is to blend it a little extra long. So I'm going to blend that now. Alright, so now we have the smoothie all blended up here. So I like to put some of the yogurt like in the bottom of the bowl. This is just how I make my smoothie bowl. It's really freaking delicious, refreshing, and it has so many nutrients in it. So, and I like the way it tastes. So I put like a good amount of yogurt in the bottom of the bowl. This yogurt is delicious. That's probably a good, just for me. Alright, so we got the yogurt in the bowl. We're gonna pour the smoothie in here. I want it so you can see both of the colors. Sometimes it doesn't work out how you plan it, but that's alright. It's gonna taste amazing. So we got a smoothie bowl. Alright, so the yogurt's in the bottom, the smoothie's on the top. Now we can chop some of these nuts to put on the top. This has got a lot of protein in it, so we don't want to skimp out, but we want them to get to a good texture to accommodate some of the rest of the ingredients. That's probably good. And walnuts are super good for your brain. They have omega-3s in them and healthy fats besides those oils. But I don't know, it's always been creepy to me, but amazing at the same time that walnuts are shaped like brains. But I guess that's a good tell that they're made for our brains. I'm into all the alien shit, so I personally think that it's a little sus that they look exactly like brains. So maybe that they were put here for us specifically. But anyways, outside of my own theories, yeah, just give the nuts a rough chop so that they're in a good enough bite-shaped form. And then what I like to do for the smoothie bowl is like do layers of stuff. This is low-key a lot of nuts, so maybe I won't use them all. That's a good amount. So the nuts, gotta do the chocolate. I love chocolate, so I'm just gonna use the rest of this bag. The chocolate is so good with all the fruit in here, y'all. Oh yeah, it's looking amazing. I want to do some coconut shreds. These are super good as well. Hold up. You know, in Ayurveda, y'all, they say that eating and digestion starts with the salivation of that happens in your mouth when you're looking at your food. So the prettier that you make it, the more colors you put in, really the easier you'll be able to digest it overall. I learned that from Radhi, Jay Shetty's wife, on YouTube. She makes videos of how she makes a bunch of plant-based foods. She's a chef, so her stuff is amazing. And if you don't mind a little bitterness, cocoa nibs are for you because they have a little crunch to them that's amazing. And they're a little bitter. They're not like super sweet. Because the rest of the bowl, the smoothie itself, is going to be pretty sweet. So the little bitter in the cocoa nibs is kind of perfect in my opinion. So we're going to do a little bit of the peanut butter. Peanut butter homemade granola. We won't do a lot of this because just a hint of peanut butter is okay, but with the mango, it's not the best flavor. Do some nutmeg on the top. Do some cinnamon on the top. Cinnamon and nutmeg are excellent for digestion. This bowl is going to feel so refreshing. And it's going to taste delicious as well. Cinnamon, nutmeg. If you wanted to, you could also put the cinnamon and nutmeg in the smoothie. I don't mind it either way. But I'm going to put some of the seed mix on the top here. Okay. And now it's time for the fruit. Any fruit that you have lying around will be amazing. Don't hold back on the fruit. Kiwi and banana as well. So I'm just giving the kiwi a quick chop. Don't hold back on the fruit, y'all. It's amazing. And lastly, we have an organic banana. It's not as ripe as I would wish it to be, but that's alright. But like I said, y'all, digestion starts when you look at your food. So the prettier that you make it, the easier you will digest it. So take your time immersing love into your food, enjoying the process, and soon enough you'll have a beautiful smoothie bowl that is delicious, nutritious, and beautiful. Look at that, y'all. Amazing. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned up here and I'll be right back with y'all. And look, y'all, look at this beautiful smoothie bowl. I am so excited to try it. So let's get into it. By the way, y'all, I wanted to mention that I'm wearing the Don't Eat the Homies merch. I love their clothing line. A lot of their stuff is super cute. It's not sponsored or anything, but I wanted to represent a good vegan brand, which is pretty cool. But yeah, let me try this smoothie bowl here. I want to get some kiwi, some banana, a blueberry. That's really good. I love it. Good stuff. The smoothie itself is so good. I pick mango because of the flavor of mango. It's like sweet, but it's not like too sweet. And I pick a vanilla milk because the vanilla just is perfect with the mango. So I really hope you all try this recipe. It's really freaking good. Put any toppings you like on there. Don't hold back. Like I said, I have my own personal seed mix. I made my own granola. So that's just what I happen to have around the house. But if you like, you know, you could put a nut butter, like line it across the top or put it in the smoothie. You could, what else could you put on there? You could put all kinds of stuff. You could put nectarines. You could put whatever fruits available in your part of the world. It's really universal and a versatile dish. You could put anything in there, but this is how I like it, with fresh fruit and coconut and chocolate. So I really hope you all enjoy it. I hope I inspired you to maybe make your own. If you do end up making your own, tag me in an Instagram story and let me know what you put in your bowl and how much you enjoyed it. But folks, that's all for the rest of today, and I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I'll see y'all soon. Stay hydrated. You're crazy. You're crazy.